What's up, you guys? It's RJ. We are back with some more GFriend. Finally, it's been a hot minute. If you've been keeping up with my community post, you know why. But we are back finally. I understand GFriend just had an anniversary, so I'm excited to be doing this video. But we've got some more music to catch up on, and don't think I forgot about the dance practices because we will be getting to those. But we're going to check out Fingertip, Love Whisper, Summer Rain, and Crossroads. So yeah. I'm excited, you guys. I've really been enjoying GFriend and their music, which is surprising me in the best way. So let's get into it. All right, we are kicking things off with Fingertip. Let's go. I feel like I can't be sure if this is what this song is sounding like, or if I'm about to be tricked. I'm being tricked. What is that noise? It sounds like KK from Animal Crossing. Not what I expected. Whoa! Astral projection? Hair flip. I love their harmonies, like the way they're singing this chorus. Whoa, the guitar. This has a throwbacky feel. I feel like I'm in like I don't know the era. I want to say 80s, but I don't think so. Maybe early 90s. The guitar in the background. What was that? Hey! This is fun! Oh. Is this for the music video? This isn't part of the song. The choreo! Oh, the camo outfits. The electric guitar at the end. Yeah, this is definitely like given 80s, right? See, I was okay at guessing the other music videos. This one, I have not a single clue what was going on. It seemed like there was like a video game situation happening or something. I don't know. You know what's so fun about GFriend is the way they fuse instruments together, things that you don't feel like would go together, and somehow it works here. And I really have no idea how. It's making me think of Rough. When I first heard that song, and I was just like something like this, and it would be messy or too much or something, but I don't know. This feels like someone captured like a perfect mixture of how to do something like this, and it really does work, which is really awesome. Yeah, that was a good time. I just had fun listening to that, to be honest. Yeah, that's all I got. Let's go on to the next one. All right, next up we have Love Whisper. Let's go. Oh, look at their outfits. Adorable. Oh, I love the harmony. Beautiful, beautiful scene. Whoa, the song. This is giving a little bit of 90s. It has that kind of artificial drum sound, you know? Oh, the voice. That little break. Look at the footwork, though. I love the chord change that the chorus goes into. Key change. One of the two. Oh. This scene is so pretty. Oh, here we go. Their outfits are always so cute. I love this dance move. Wow, so pretty though. Very interesting. I enjoyed that. That one was so fun. Fun and like a summer like bop type of song. And I also was waiting for the bridge because I felt like the bridge was going to change up something in the song. I don't know what instrument was going to be added. I had a feeling it might have been a guitar or something like that. And that sure enough, that's what it was. So cool to see that they're very consistent with their music and the stylings and whatnot. Yeah, that was a good time though. Very cute. I love the footwork and even just the choreo in general. So that might be one of the ones I want to check out dance practice for amongst a bunch of others. But yeah, that was a good time. All right, you guys, we are moving on into Summer Rain. Didn't it rain at the end of this last one? I think this one actually comes as the next music video. I think all three of these are right one after the next. I don't remember. Let's go. I forget how it looked in that playlist. I'm pretty sure they all did though. Oh, the beginning formation, this piano. Where are we going? 90s again? Why is this making me think of Sailor Moon? The song. Oh, I love that. Violin? Hello. Goodbye. Oh, I swear this chorus reminds me of a song in Sailor Moon. And like the Super S series. Oh, I love that. And I love this piano part. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They're so synchronized. I love the way this piano, they began how they ended how they began. Everyone has a see-through umbrella. This sounds like what I go to sleep to at night. It's so peaceful. This particular song, like, and I think the reason I'm about to say that it reminds me of something out of an anime is because specifically it made me think of Sailor Moon. And I don't know if there's any people that are into Sailor Moon out there, but there's a particular song in the show that this song reminded me of. It fit so well, and the song in general I just feel like had a very anime vibe to it. Like I could totally picture it as maybe just a scene in an anime, even maybe the opening credits or something like that. I don't know, it has that aesthetic. I think everything with the rain, the entire vibe of the music video too, went along with that really well. The choreo was also really pretty, very like elegant. I really liked the beginning formation, and I liked that they ended with that same formation. Yeah, I would like to see, like, I honestly can't wait till we get to the dance practices, because I want to see a lot of these songs in full. Because obviously we tend to get a lot of choreo in their music videos, but only small snippets. But what they do end up showing, I really like, and it makes me just want to see the whole thing. But yeah, the piano of this one, absolutely beautiful. And I love how, like, right before it went into that section, there was like a, I don't know if you hear it, but like it's kind of subtle. It's a little interesting, very different. But yeah, that was another good time. Let's go into the last one. All right, we have jumped 3 years into the future, because I think all 3 of the last songs were in 2017 area. We are now in 2020, Crossroads. And I feel like we listened to a song and they mentioned Crossroads in it, but obviously that was in the past. I don't know that they necessarily intended for them to make a song called Crossroads in the future, but I just found it funny because music video, because she felt like that too. And didn't the clock go backwards in that? Am I tripping? Wasn't she also in bed in Fingertip? What's going on? Are they connected? There's no window. What's the window? Wow, the way this is shot is very interesting. Oh, the harmonies. Ooh, that was beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. I think I barely said a word. That entire thing. That was crazy. That might be one of my favorites that we listened to, actually. Yeah. I'm kind of stunned. I'm sorry. I don't have words right now. That was just really, 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 really nice. I don't really know what to say. I'm so serious. Like, I was just kind of here for the journey of this entire music video and the song. It was just so pretty. But hold up, because the beginning of this had to be connected to Fingertip, right? Because this is the same girl who took steps backwards and fell in that exact same formation. And then the clock in her room went backwards and she ended up back in bed, right? Now, as far as what happens after that, I don't know. But someone's not friends with someone. I don't know. There's things going on that I didn't connect right away. I feel like if I watched this again, I could probably do it. But the song honestly was really catching my attention. Yeah, that went through so many different vibes in a way, but it was all so cohesive and really, really a beautiful song. It felt like an experience, actually. Or like I was watching, I want to say a play, but not a play. I can't even really pinpoint what it is. I think there's just something about the music of this particular song that really just felt like I was watching a story being told musically via instruments and key changes and chord changes and harmonies and things like that. Like, that was really just kind of like stunning. So yeah, that was definitely my favorite one. Maybe number 2 after Apple, because I think Apple is still my favorite song that we've listened to thus far. That might be number 2. Crossroads might be number 2. I have to listen. It's hard to say, but that was fantastic. So yeah. Anyway, I know they have more songs. I know you guys have recommended some other things. I think there's some Japanese songs that I've seen people in the comments recommending. So maybe we'll do that next. I think there might be two or three other music videos, like Korean MVs that I haven't watched, but yeah. Anyway, we'll be back to this very soon. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.